Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the installation process of GetResponse Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once logged into your account, search for App Marketplace and click on it. Next, search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. After that is done, click on Install. Next, click on Allow and Install. Once that's done, cancel the prompt and refresh your page. The next thing you need to do is scroll down on your sidebar and search for the application you just installed, GetResponse. When you find it, click on it. After it is fully loaded up, you get to this interface. This interface has a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains a documentation that has information about the application. Next, we have the tutorial tab. This tutorial tab has video and a smart cue that will help you get the necessary criteria when setting up the application. Next, we go to that is where we are going to set up our application for it to work normally. Let's get into that. From what we can see, our application is already connected. But what would you do if your application was not yet connected? First, click on Start Setup. Head to your GetResponse account you created online. Click on Tools. And next, Integration and API. Next, click on API and Generate API. Give it a name. Click Generate. Once your API key is generated, copy it, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then your application will be connected and ready to be used. Next, we have the Support tab. This Support tab is an area where you can book calls and create tickets in case you find any problems. Next, you have the Changelog. The Changelog keeps you updated on any changes that have been made on our applications. And you can also receive notifications if you toggle this on and fill in your email address. Next, click on Subscribe. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. Thank you and see you in the next video.